Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Science and Maths teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Betia, and I am going to tell you Science for class 8, chapter 15, Light. And in this section, we shall know about multiple reflections. As in previous video, we have learnt about reflections. Here, as we are talking about multiple reflection, means what is multiple reflections? Many times you have experienced that when you sit in a salon, you find that many images form at mirror in which you are looking yourself. If another mirror has been kept just beside you, how it happens? आप ही का एक इमेज कई इमेज में दिखता है, इसका कारण क्या होता है? इनफैक्ट द रिफ्लेक्शंस which incidents on one of the mirror, it reflects the same light to another mirror, and then the another mirror again sent back as return reflection on the previous, and then multiple images are made. So the phenomena of a ray of light getting reflected more than once is called multiple reflection. यानी ऐसी घटना जिसमें प्रकाश की कोई किरण बार बार या एक बार से अधिक परावर्तित हो जाए तो हम उसको मल्टीपल या अनगिनत रिफ्लेक्शन के नामों से जानेंगे. सपोज हियर यू कैन सी दैट टू ऑफ द मिरर्स हैव बीन केप्ट एट सम ऑफ द एंगल्स, दे आर एडजस्टेड, एंड यू फाइंड दैट देयर आर टू images are formed. So how can we know that how many images are formed when the two mirrors are adjusted at a certain angles? So there is a formula that number of images formed when mirrors are kept at different angles is equal to 360 upon theta minus 1. Theta is the angle which denotes the adjustment of mirrors. So it's clear that when the angle of the mirror that is adjusted at 45 degree, then you can find the number of images will be formed is equal to 360 by 45 minus 1, means it will be divided in 8 times. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. Means 7 images will be formed when these two mirrors are kept at the angle of 45 degree. Now when these two mirrors are adjusted at 60 degrees, then the number of images will be formed 360 by 60 minus 1, means 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And so you can find the number of images which are formed when mirrors kept at different angles. But what will happen when these mirrors are kept at 0 degree angle? जैसे मान लो कि ये दो मिरर्स हैं, यहां एक मिरर यहां लगा दिया गया और दूसरा मिरर यहां सेट किया गया। जैसा कि आप सैलून में देखते हो, अब यहां पर कितने डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है? यहां 0 डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है और यहां एक वस्तु हमने रख दिया है, तो क्या होगा? अब ये रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा और यहां पर क्या होगा? एक इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होगा ना। और फिर यह वस्तु दूसरे मिरर्स में भी अपने इस रे को रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी और यहां भी एक इमेज का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा। फिर इस यह वस्तु पुनः क्या करेगी? एक इमेज का तो फॉर्मेशन कर ही रही और फिर यहां से अगेन एक नया रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा और एक दूसरे इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होगा। फिर ये इमेज पुनः क्या करेगी? अपने रिफ्लेक्शन को दूसरे मिरर्स में डालेगी और इस तरह से यहां पर अनलिमिटेड इनन्यूमरल इमेज का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा। So when two angles are adjusted at 0 degree, then the number of images will be formed. Unlimited means undefined. Undefined या unlimited. Undefined. So students, as I hope you have understood about multiple reflection. So what are the needs of these multiple reflections? As you know, multiple plays a vital role in our life. We make two of the apparatus by using reflections. First, kaleidoscope and second one is periscope. Kaleidoscope forms many beautiful patterns in it when the object moves inside and they form different type of reflections, while periscope help us to see the objects, especially kept either on the higher side or the object which are to be lying under the sea. So navigators usually use periscope to search or observe the object which are under the sea. So let's know about it. Kaleidoscope. Now students, as I told you that the application of multiple reflections can be seen by using kaleidoscope and periscope. This is the structure of simple kaleidoscope in which three mirrors are joined triangularly and they are formed of simple kaleidoscope. When, as you can see here, that when we put something at the base as here and your viewers' eyes, when you see light reflected from this side, you get beautiful patterns between them. And periscope, here you can see that two plane mirrors are adjusted at the angle of 45 degree when a person who is looking the object which is higher place, the image of this object is formed on the first mirror and again it is reflected on the another mirror, and then the same image will form in the next mirror. अब आपने देखा ना कि जैसे यहाँ पर हमने दो प्लेन मिरर्स को इस तरह से एडजस्ट किया कि दोनों दो कॉर्नर पर 45 डिग्री के एंगल पर एडजस्ट किए गए हैं, और यहाँ से जब पहले मिरर में किसी वस्तु का फिगर बन रहा है रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद, तो पुनः यह रिफ्लेक्ट करता है उस इमेज को, और वहां से पुनः यह ऐसा ही इमेज यह दूसरा प्लेन मिरर में फॉर्म करता है, और फिर यहां से वह व्यूअर्स की आंखों में पहुंच जाता है. एंड सेम प्रोसेस विल बी डन with navigators when they are kept the lower side inside the water in the sea, then the picture which is formed at this mirror can be seen easily upward. So students, now we will learn about colors of the sunlight. You know that our sunlight is made up by 7 colors. This is called beam square. About it we have already read in first video, and this can be seen easily with white light in the night when we keep a CD disc. Before the light, we find a spectrum on the CD. Thus, we can see many more about reflections, and in the next video, we shall learn about human eye, different diseases related to human eye, and vice versa. Till then, thank you.